Hello, it's Natasha at Craftware with me. Thank you for joining me today. I would like to share a quick layout with you using September and October kits from Hip Kit Club. The link to the kits will be below the video. I will speed you up through the process because I'm not doing anything too complicated. I hope you don't get dizzy watching this, and I hope you like my page. I was inspired by the sketch, the weekly sketch. We have wonderful sketches on Hip Kit Club Facebook page, and I encourage you to take part in this challenge because you have a chance to win a gift certificate to the Hip Kit Club shop, and also you don't have to use Hip Kit Club goodies. You can use any scrapbooking supplies you have on hand. So I created the 3 sections on my page with masking tape, and I'm also using October color kit, which is awesome. I think it has 3 types of paints. They're all from Shimmers, and one is the pop art pink spray. Then we have Shimmers Sunflower, which is beautiful sparkly gold, and we have Creamy's Ride the Tide color, which is this wonderful blue color. And so what's amazing about this that you can try, they all have different textures and all have different properties. Like now you saw me mixing the Shimmer Sunflower paint. You have to mix it and then apply it, and it shines and sparkles just amazingly. You can't see it on screen, unfortunately, but trust me, it's all the sparkle that you need. So anyway, I'm saying that you have an opportunity to play with 3 different products from Shimmer Paints and try which ones you like best and play with them. For example, now I'm spritzing Creamies with water because you have to activate them with water. And I'm applying all these 3 paints with dry brush or sponge brush, as I was doing with the pink color. So I'm just creating these 3 areas, 3 sections of color on my page. And the topic for this week on Hip Kit Club is also autumn. My page, I don't think my page really screams autumn, to be honest, but I'm still happy how it turned out, and so you will see. So I was actually inspired to use some brown color by the embellishments that I included in the October main kit. And also there is an amazing, an awesome ephemera pack from Vicky Bouton. And I used ephemera from this pack to mat my paper. And I also used some paper from the September kit to create this cluster around my photo. Now I'm using leaves from the September color kit. There are stamps from Vicky Bouton with leaves, and I stamped them in brown. As I said, the embellishments from the October kit, Jen Hatfield embellishments, inspired me to use brown on my page. And these embellishments, these are buttons, you know, beautiful pink and teal and brown, and just really, really beautiful colors. So now I'm stamping the leaves, as I said, from the September color kit on my page. So I'm just arranging some more ephemera. And here are these beautiful, lovely buttons. So I've chosen the brown one, and I decided to add some brown splatters with Pink Fresh Studio brown watercolor paper. Watercolor. But you can obviously use any acrylic paint or watercolor paint that you have on hand to add splatters. And my page is almost ready. For the title, I'm using a sticker, alpha stickers from September, Hip Kit Club September kit, and I'm adhering them starting from the back of the word, from the end of the word, and I start from the photo and moving my way up to the right hand corner. So, and the title says Autumn Vibes, and I'm adhering vibes. I'm starting from the middle. So vibes has 5 letters. So B is exactly in the middle. So I adhere B first, and then I arrange the other letters around B. And to finish my page, I adhered it to page from September kit, just to create, you know, a nice frame around my page. You don't see it in the video, but you will see it in the final, in the close-up photos. And well, that's it. That's my page ready. So thank you very much for joining me. Please visit our Hip Kit Club Facebook group. Find us on Instagram. There is a lot of inspiration there. Subscribe to my channel for cards and for layouts. Have a great day and see you again soon. Thank you.